What? What is it?
What is it?
Since you girls have been behaving so well lately and got straight A's on your report card, you girls can go to the park and have a ladies' day out.
Okay.
Yay!
All right, girls, now remember to say together.
Oh, look, there's a dog.
A slide.
It's such a beautiful day. Wow!
Ooh, mini merry-go-round.
It's such a beautiful day at the park. I'm going to walk around this fountain. Ooh, look at that tall, tall building. Let's get really close to this water. I'm going to check it out.
Ivy, you're all wet and you smell bad. Let's just go home.